Hello children, welcome to the social science class of 6th grade. Children, we have been discussing about the Kalaburgi division. So today this video begins with the culture heritage of the Kalaburgi division. Culture means which is related to the art, customs and tradition. Heritage means what our ancestors or forefathers they did good for us is called a heritage. We already know the Kalaburgi division is rich in a culturally, but it is a poor in economic aspect. All districts of the Kalaburgi division they contributed more in field of the art, field of the music, field of the painting, field of the theatre, folklore, dance, and other performing arts. 6 districts are there in Kalaburgi division, though almost all districts have contributed more in especially other performing arts, dance, folklore, theatre, and painting, and etc. This division, Kalaburgi division, was ruled by four important dynasties. Rashtrakutas ruled in Kalaburgi division. That time, Manakheta was the capital of the Rashtrakuta Empire. Kalyana Chalukya ruled this division. Basava Kalyana was the capital of the Kalyana Chalukyas. Vijayanagar also ruled. Hampi was the capital of the Vijayanagara. Bahmani kings ruled this division. Kalaburgi and Bidars were capital of the Bahmani kings. So three dynasties introduced domestic art and architecture. Rashtrakutas, Chalukya, Kalyan and Vijayanagara, they introduced their own architecture, but Bahmani kings they introduced the Islamic architecture. So almost all dynasties, four dynasties of this division encouraged, means supported art and literature. This division is Kalaburgi division is known for the professional theatre since many days, since many years also. Next, freedom struggle. The freedom struggle of the Kalaburgi division is very unique and very special. Entire India was struggling against the British rule, but Kalaburgi division, the people of the Kalaburgi division were struggling against the rule of the Nizam. So many common people they were participated this freedom struggle as the Nizam of Hyderabad, and many people participated in the Karnataka integration movement. So two important movement they played a very important role to struggle against the Nizam of Hyderabad. The first one is library movement, and the second one is the opening school for the educated children. First one is library movement. The library movement, the aim of the library movement was instilling the national spirit, or patriotism in the people of the Kalaburgi division. Second one, opening schools to educate the children. Four schools were established in Kalaburgi division. The first school was Nutana Vidyalaya in Kalaburgi. This school was established in the year of 1907. The same year, Usmania National School at Chincholi. Chincholi it is a taluk of the Kalaburgi division. Usmania National School was established in Chincholi taluk of the Kalaburgi division. And third one, Vidyananda Gurukula Kukanur of the Koppal district. That time Koppal was also part of Raichur district. Koppal was a part of Raichur district. Kukanur was a part of Raichur district. Next, 1997, the Raichur district was divided. The Koppal formed the new district. So Vidyananda Gurukula of the Kukanur. This Gurukula school was established in the year of 1922. And next one, Hamdrad National School of Raichur. This school was established in the year of 1922. So, two moments opening school for the children to educate the children, and next one library movement. Two important movements developed the national spirit among the people of the Hyderabad, Karnataka. The national spirit in this division was the result the movement like Arya Samaj and Vande Mataram movement. Ramchandra Rao of the Vande Mataram movement, who started Vande Mataram movement? The Kalyan Shetty of the Merugu built the Tarun Sangha. Tarun Sangha to fight against Nizam rule. That time Chandrasekhar Patil of the Merugu, who led the its as a president, who became the chairman, who became the president of this Tarun Sangha. This Tarun Sangha was established by Kalyana Shetty of Maregu. And Ramananda Tirtha, unforgettable personality of the Kalaburgi division. Ramananda Tirtha of this division was a very prominent freedom fighter. He played a very important role to struggle against Nizam of Hyderabad. Apart from Ramananda Tirtha, thousands of common people participated in this struggle. Sardar Sharanagoda Inamdar was a prominent person of the the liberation from the Nizam rule movement. The Razakars, the private army of Nizam, they harassed common people of the Kalaburgi division inhumanly. They treated inhumanly. They killed many people. They looted the public property. So that's why common people of the Hyderabad, Karnataka, they resisted them fiercely. So that's why India got independence on 15th August, but Kalaburgi division became the part of the India on September 17, 1948, when Nizam Kingdom was annexed to India. Means Nizam was not ready to merge with Indian Union or Indian territory, because he wanted to declare a separate country. So that's why Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that time he was a home minister of the Indian government, he only entered this movement, and afterwards on September 17th this Kalaburgi division became the part of India. September 17, 1948. So this is a freedom movement of the Kalaburgi division against the Nizam rule. Thank you, children.